there are things you do really well. Too well. And that's why you don't let them go. You tell yourself it's faster if you do it. Better if you check it. Safer if it stays with you. But if you're honest, it's not about efficiency. It's about control. So you hold on. And your team waits, capable, ready, underused. And without realizing it, you're doing their job instead of leading them. Delegation isn't about getting rid of annoying work. It's about trusting others with what you do best. That's how they grow. And that's how you grow. So decide where your experience and energy will make the biggest difference. Focus on what only you can do, because that is what will move your team forward. Let them do the rest, not because you can't, but because they should. You don't lose control if you do so. You multiply it, and your team steps up.